It was beautiful. It was really loud. I wanted to record there, but I don't know if you can hear well. It was very loud there. That's pretty cool though. And it's so clean. It's really, really just, I feel like I can drink it. All I could think about is how clean it is and how dirty, how much garbage, cancer we're drinking every day, and all the other alternative sources of water. I mean, I know people do drink waterfall water. What would it be called? Glacier water, I guess. You know, the cheapest alternative is spring water, but even still, Icelandia, you buy in a plastic bottle, you know? All these expensive Fiji, all these expensive artisan waters. Even in glass, they have microplastics. The caps are aluminum. That's crazy. And SCWO is, you know, I just, like many people, we're just all sick of this bullshit. And finally, there's a company that's doing something. Maybe it's slow. Maybe it's pretty unknown and people haven't heard of them yet. But finally, there's a company that's doing something. I know people talked about there's like 2 other kind of competitors in the space. And I do got to do more research on them. But from what I know, SCWO is the best, cheapest solution that is working. And also, it is a technology that isn't new. It is just, their approach to it is novel, if you will. You know, the technology has been around. People want supercritical water. They just made it different in the fact that it's with oxidation, I believe. Well, the fact that they do it at high pressure with oxidation. Usually it's not with oxidation, from what I know. But aside from that, another big thing is that no corrosion. Typically, all of these fail because of corrosion. And if SCWO, the company, 374 Water, solved SCWO with no corrosion, then that is a big, big win. And currently the only company that I see winning in this space. But there's actually tons of space for competitors, tons of space for other novel solutions. And honestly, like, why can't we harvest this water right here cheap? Why can't we make, I mean, maybe I'm wrong, maybe this isn't clean, but this feels very clean. I gotta get through this. Wow, a little dangerous to be doing this. Whoa. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. So they went, and all I heard is holy shit. Let's see what they're talking about. Okay, we're going there. This hike was crazy. We need to rock climb with these ropes. Just insane, the path we went through. I mean, it's not a path, but what a view. What an awesome waterfall. This has been a crazy adventure. I just want to record a bit of the path we're doing. Really cool. I am in slides, and honestly, it's quite slippery. But wow. What an awesome path. Oh, we have to go through some crazy terrain, actually. It's not a path. It's really crazy what we're doing here. I mean, I guess people come here, but this is definitely not an official path. Because the things we have to do, look at this. They're about to rope swing upward. Oh, be careful, bro. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Yeah, I should be good. No EMS to save us here. Yeah, there's no blood yet. Yet. Oh, could I do this one-handed? Oh. I got it. We're doing it. coffee. Real good. Costa Rica vibes. Look at this place. Wow. What a beautiful sunset. So nice here. Refreshing. We had an awesome adventurous day. And I just wanted to share and wrap it up with this view. On the beach, on a full moon. As always, until next time, stay thinking, question everything, and peace out.